Hi, my name is Lynne McTaggart. I'm author of The Field, The Intention Experiment, and my latest book, The Power of Eight. What I'm going to tell you, I hope, will turn everything you've thought about the power of intention on its head. You'll see that intention gets supersized in a group, and that the more you intend for someone else, the more it rebounds back on you. But I don't just want to tell you about it, I want to show you it. I want to show you how to do this. So I'm going to explain step by step how you do a Power of Eight group and how to maximize its effect. First of all, get together a batch of 7 friends. Now, if you have friends in your church or your work group or your neighborhood or a book group or a bowling group, all of that will work. But if you don't have 7 friends, you can also do it virtually. It works just as well. And you can get hold of 7 other people by coming onto our website, lynnmctaggart.com, and clicking my community forum, where you can hook up with other people in your time zone. So once you've got your 7 assembled, this is what you do. First of all, find someone within the group with some sort of health challenge or other kind of challenge. All of you organize together to frame an intention statement. It should be very specific. So let's say Jane Doe has arthritis in her right hip. Your intention would be our intention, and always make it our intention is that Jane Doe be free of all pain in her right hip and be healthy and well in every way. I always throw in that general statement afterward. But it's very important to tell the universe exactly what you want. Most people make a mistake by saying something very general, like, my intention is for world peace. Focus on where you want world peace. Focus on exactly how you want world peace and how much you want it to be peaceful by. Make sure you're very, very specific. Once you've come up with your intention statement, all of you should form a circle if you are physically in the same place, or create a mental vision of holding hands in a circle if you're just virtual. So once you've formed your circle, if you're together, hold hands. Or you can put the person who is the object of your intention in the center of a circle and put your hands on him or her like the spokes of a wheel. So once you've done that and you're all connected or virtually connected in your mind, you can play some music while you're doing this. Now, I like to use Jonathan Goldman's Choco Ray. It's from his album Reiki Chants, and I've used it for every intention experiment I've done thus far. But you can use any kind of meditative music if you like. So start your meditative music. Then all of you together take a deep inhale and exhale. And a deep inhale and exhale. And about 3rd or 4th inhale. Just formulate that intention statement in your mind. While you're doing that, have a very, very specific image of that person achieving his or her intention, whether it is getting well, or getting a new job, or finding her or his soulmate, or finding a life purpose, whatever it is. Imagine that person being ecstatically happy, healthy in every way. Then take that intention statement from your head down to your heart. And just send it out very gently, almost like the tendrils of a plant unfurling. The intention subject should just open up his or her heart to receive. Hold this intention together every so often. Just go back to it mentally. You're never saying it aloud, you're only thinking it. But you're always all thinking the same intention statement during this period. So hold this returning back to that imagery, returning to that intention statement for about 8 to 10 minutes. So after 8 or 10 minutes, slowly come back into the room. Or if you're on Skype or Google Hangouts, just slowly disengage from everyone else and come back onto the call. Give yourself a few minutes and then just to come back and center yourself, and then compare your experiences, both senders and receivers. Explain what happened to you. Just share. And after your intention, start taking careful note of what goes on in your life. Are your pains getting less? And this is for the senders and the receivers. Have you resolved some sort of physical issue? Are you getting along with people better? Have you refocused your life's purpose or found a decision to change a job? Or has some windfall or new opportunity come into your life? Take note of all of that, whether you are the recipient or the sender, because what we found, the most amazing thing of all, is that it doesn't matter. There's a virtuous circle here that seems to affect everyone. And when you have experienced these changes, don't hesitate to share them on our website. Go to my community forum and tell all the other Power of 8 groups what's going on with you. And besides that, for more information about how to do intention, how to become an intention master, how to use your group to carry out a load of experiments, and other information about Power of 8 groups, don't forget, get my new book, The Power of 8. And join my community at lynnmctaggart.com, and you can find out more about how to attend other master classes, other live events, other intention experiments I'm doing, and everything else that's going on to complete your experience. Thanks so much.